we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to sharpen an image. On the left we've got the original. Let me copy that pressing Ctrl D, and I drag the copy to the right side. It's selected, I go to extensions, raster, and there you've got the sharpen option. Let me click on it. We've got this little menu up here. So on the left is the original, and on the right, if we check live preview, the effect is applied, and it already adds a little bit to it. The approach that I use is, if I put both values to 10, the effect is very obvious. But if I put one parameter down and keep the other up, the effect gets lessened. So I'll just jump between these two and go up and down. So instead of finding one value for the sigma first and then adjusting the radius, I adjust them both step by step. It's the best method, at least that I could come up with for now. And for the most part, you want to have it set to a low value between 0 and around 2 or 2.5 at max. And you can always reapply this effect multiple times. So if I check the live preview again, the already sharpened image is sharpened again. I don't want to do that here, so let me just close this. And this is how you can sharpen an image in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.